How to fix too many attempts on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix too many attempts happening on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So before we get on to fix, you have to understand why this happens. This usually happens due to multiple login processes. For example, Telegram themselves mentioned that too many attempts occurs after excessive login attempts, and for security purposes it will take about 24 hours for the temporary lockout to clear, after which you can log in again normally. So basically you have to wait until 24 hours to wait and then fix this issue. But if you're not sure of that and if you want to actually log in again, now what I would recommend you do is, let's say you're having the issue with the Telegram application, right? Just go ahead and long press on it, tap on the I button over here. Once you tap on the I button, scroll down to the storage section, clear cache, and then also make sure to clear all of the data. So once you go to clear cache, you also want to make sure to remove the cache file and data of the Telegram application. Now once you've done that, you have to go ahead and then simply switch your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, try to switch to Wi-Fi. You might not believe me, but changing your Wi-Fi or your network connection will most likely also change your IP address, which is actually emitting from the router. So you might want to change your network connection, and after that open up Telegram and then try to re-log into your account. If this doesn't help, the only thing you can do is wait a couple of hours until you try it again. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.